Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sign PDF document with digital signature. Alright guys, first of all, open your document on your laptop or PC, and after that you can click on this button and just click on this button. Then you can click on add signature. Then after that you can draw your signature right here, and I'm going to practice it like this. And after you're done, you just need to click on apply right here. Then just wait for a moment guys, it's still loading, so wait. Okay, so this is the signature, and I'm going to place this signature right here. Just click on the signature like this. Then you can zoom in or zoom out on the signature, and for example I'm going to zoom in like this. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can sign PDF document with digital signature. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.